Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Miata fuel pump. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the car's battery. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure to avoid any dangerous spills. Gather all your tools, including various wrenches and the new fuel pump assembly. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Always prioritize safety when working with fuel systems. Now, let's get to the fuel pump. You'll typically find an access panel in the trunk or beneath the carpet behind the seats. Carefully remove this panel to reveal the top of the fuel tank and its connections. Before proceeding, thoroughly clean the surrounding area to prevent any dirt or debris from entering the fuel tank. This step is vital for maintaining fuel system integrity. With the area clean, it's time to remove the old pump. Disconnect the electrical connectors and fuel lines, being mindful of any residual fuel. Use a specialized tool or a hammer and punch to carefully unscrew the large retaining ring or bolts securing the pump. Once loosened, gently lift the entire fuel pump assembly straight out of the tank. Be prepared for some fuel to drip. To install the new pump, carefully lower the new assembly into the tank, ensuring the new gasket is properly seated. Secure it with the retaining ring or bolts, tightening them evenly. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connections, double-checking for a snug fit. Finally, reconnect the battery and check for leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Start the car and listen for the pump to prime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.